Hi, everyone. I wanted to address some misunderstandings from the assignment. So about the enzymes, about THC, CBD, CBC. So hemp, legally, the legal definition of hemp is something that has 0.3 or less THC, okay? So we know that THCA synthase, CBDA synthase, and CBCA synthase, and remember that the plant produces these compounds in the acidic form, and when we heat them up, they turn into the neutral form, THC, CBD, CBC. So these synthases, THCA synthase, CBDA synthase, CBCA synthase, they have the same precursor molecule, which is CBGA, cannabigerolic acid, right? So that's why we think that they are promiscuous, because they use the same precursor molecule. Now, these synthases, we also think that they are sloppy or leaky, right? Because each of them can produce the other's compound. And in vitro, we know that they produce up to 8 different compounds. So, right, that's why we think they're leaky, sloppy, because they can produce each other's compounds and up to 8 different compounds in vitro. And they're promiscuous because they use the same precursor molecule. Now, if you have a limit of the amount of THC that your hemp plants can have in the field, achieving this limit is hard if you know that the other enzymes are producing THC. So if CBDA synthase is producing a little bit of THC, or CBCA synthase is producing a little bit of THC, then your plants may end up with a higher limit of THC, and then you're in trouble if you're a hemp breeder farmer, right? Because of the strict laws and regulations. So this is my own personal opinion. I think that the limit should be higher for this reason, because so far the data that we have, there are very few high CBD producing plants that produce little THC. So most of the very high CBD producing plants produce some THC, and this sometimes exceeds the legal limit. Okay, so I just wanted to point out about the promiscuous versus sloppy, and about the amount of THC for the legal definition of hemp.